What is big now? You will see.
All right, guys.
See what?
Jason, enough. Okay.
See, you shall.
Lies. I'm gonna come right over here.
We're doing this with fractions,
What
right?
you see? What shall I see?
All right.
I'm ready.
I love that Sophie is locked in and ready to go. All right, guys. We are back with fractions.
Hey, drop the pen.
We're still doing fractions, and guess what? We're still subtracting fractions. Today we're going to go a step further with subtracting
Mixed.
fractions. What?
Mixed numbers.
You got it.
You're so
Why is this being hateful to me? Okay, guys, here we go. So we've got a worksheet today. I'm not going to hand it to you guys because I don't want that many of you getting that far ahead of me. That's the way it is. So I'm going to put a couple examples on here, and you don't need to write anything on your board yet because I want to make sure that we all know what's going on first, okay? So put your lid on your marker if you took it off, and let's just be paying attention for now. So we're going to start with, let's see here, 8 and 2/4 minus 3 1/10. Now, based on what we know about adding mixed numbers, what do you think we might do to subtract a mixed number? Sophie, what do you think?
the whole numbers.
Subtract the whole numbers? Do you guys want to subtract the whole numbers? Everybody agree?
Yeah.
I agree. I like that. So what would that be, Sophie? 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, so we've taken care of our whole numbers. Okay? Now, again, based on what we know about adding the mixed numbers, what are we going to do now to subtract them, Fiona?
Now that we've got that, what we're gonna do now is, after we subtracted them, we have to do the butterfly method.
Okay, so we're going to butterfly the fractions to subtract them. So I'm going to rewrite them down here to make it easier to butterfly. And that's a minus. All right. So first things first, then I've got 4 times 1.
Miss Bowd, can you, the window?
No. I really don't understand like how that keeps happening every day. Okay. And 2 times 10 is 20. All right, so then we've got, so I heard Sophie saying 20 minus 4, 16. And for my denominator, I'm going to do 4 times 10,
40.
which is 40.
5 and 16/40. But you can.
5 and 16/40 could be my answer,
You can reduce it.
but I can reduce it. What can I divide both of these by?
8. Wait. 4 tenths.
Yeah.
8.
No, you go lower. It's 2
Good
bits.
job.
2 bits.
If I divide them both by 8, I'm going to get a 2. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. So my answer is 5 and 2 bits. All right, guys.
Simple.
Let's do
1.
another example. Let's see here. We've got 9 and 3/4 minus 1
And 4 fifths.
and 4/10. So again, I'm going to start with my whole numbers. 9 minus 1 is 8. And then I'm going to have to come down here and butterfly. 4 times 4 is,
12.
no it isn't.
Wait, no.
12.
16.
Last time I checked, 4 times 4 was
16.
16. And 3 times 10 is 30. So I've got 30 minus 16. If you don't know that off the top of your head, is it okay to come over here and do this?
14.
This would be 10.
Oh, I thought you were about to say that's a problem.
Yeah, 14.
Yes, it would be 14 for my numerator then.
40.
And my denominator would be 40. What can I divide these both by?
2. Well, actually, you can divide them both by. No, you can't do it.
All right, so 14 divided by 2 gives me,
7.
and 40 divided by 2 gives me,
20.
and I know that's as low as I can go because 7 is a prime.
8 and 7 20th.
8 and 7 20th. All right. Virtual friends, how are you guys feeling about this morning?
Good.
Lucas is good. Cam or Josie's good. Cam's good. How about you guys? Give me a 1, 2, 3, 4. How are we feeling about this?
Good.
Okay. All right. So let's do a few more to practice, just to make sure we're all like 100% golden. A lot of us are like, why is this not working? Go.
You'd have to go like this.
There, thank you. All right, here we go. 7.5, and this one I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go and see what you get. 7.5.
Okay. So
Okay, I got it. You guys, show me what you got.
Oh, what's he doing?
Johnny Poo, you're busy. Kaylin, guys, come on. Yep.
Yay, I'm smart.
Everyone's smart.
Kendall,
Right?
yes. I do not like the
I
numerator.
did not even get this done yet.
Kaylee, yes.
6, 6, 6, 6.
Sophie, yes.
Miss Bab, Riley.
Josie, yes.
Miss Bab, you have another.
Miss Bab.
Yes.
Good job, Riley.
Miss Bab.
Just raise your hand.
Yes.
Miss Bab.
No, why would I raise my hand? I don't have a question.
All right. Yes, Lucas, got it, nailed it. Good job, bud.
Good
All
job.
right.
I'm smart.
You are smart.
Finally. I don't know how to do that. That means you're not smart. If you don't know how to do math, you're not smart. No math, no smartness. You don't know how to do math, you don't know how to do smart.
I love you. All right. So you just got to subtract from your
I'm scared on what she did.
Virtual friends, what you missed out on is I was totally just hovering over a friend like this, waiting on her to finish. She had no idea I was behind her back. Okay. All right. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And then when I butterfly these little guys, I get a 2 and a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6.
1, 6.
So 5 and
You know what you
uno,
could have done? I see
6.
this. I saw that now. You could just take 1 times 1, you get your top one, then you get your 3 times 2, then you get your bottom. You can just do top times
I don't know if it always works like that.
bottom.
All right, here we go. 5.5. Nope, lies. Lies. That's not the next one on the worksheet. My virtual friends are going to get mad at me. 5 2/3. Is this the one we just did?
No. Yes.
Minus 4.5. No, it isn't.
We did 7. You already have an answer.
Because they worked ahead because they have the worksheet that I didn't give to you guys.
It's bad.
Miss Bab, I think we did do
Yes,
it.
you guys are correct.
It's bad. It's bad.
Yes.
Miss Bab,
Yes, yes. Johnny Poo, you going to do it? All right.
Thank you.
You can do it, Sean.
Don't be
I know I
silly.
can. You got
Come on, Sean, you can do it.
All right, I'm waiting on Johnny Poo.
Sean, you can do it, Sean.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
I have no
clue. I hope so.
No, you're not.
You're not.
I'm guessing
Yeah,
you're
you
not.
are.
I am.
Yes, you are.
Oh, yeah. I did not want to have to start
Okay,
this
I am. Thank goodness. All right, it's getting loud in here. Here we go. 5 minus 4.
1 and 1.
Let's go,
1.
Sean.
1 and 1.
All right, and then I'm going to butterfly these little guys. 3. 2 times 2.
1 and 1, 6.
1 and 1/6. Sean finally gives me. And he is correct. 1 and 1/6.
Finally.
There we go.
All
right. I'm gonna skip number 5 because we're basically gonna get the same answer. Let's go to number 6.
We got the same answer on number
9,
4.
4, 5.
4 and 3 had the same answer.
All right. 9 and 4/5 minus 2.
I typed mine in the chat.
How do they have these? Chelsea, you're fast. That's only because of the fact they already have it. Yeah, they're already working on it. Why can we not get the worksheet? I can start with it because
She doesn't want to give us the worksheet.
I want to see their answers without you. Josie, you got it.
So you turn off the TV?
Just long enough to look at their answer without you seeing it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
What's the problem? Yeah.
There it is.
9 minus 2 is 4. It's bad.
I don't like your whole number.
7.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Miss Bab. Now is that right? I took the wrong
Yes.
thing.
Yes. I like that you guys are reducing this. You guys are making my heart so happy.
Yes.
So happy.
7.
All right, all 3 of my virtual friends, you got it. Yep.
Miss Bab.
You will not reduce this. This number is I'm never going to reduce that.
Miss Bab. I wrote it in the language that you love too.
In a language that I love.
I'm scared. It's probably not right.
Yes.
Yes, Sean.
My heart is happy. You guys all reduced this. I love you. And actually, you got 7 and 5/50ths, and you guys are all so smart.
So we don't need the test? No, I just missed bad. I didn't even get that. I got 7 1/10 from the.
Oh, you just took the 5 to the 10?
No, I literally just took 5 and multiplied it. By
You multiplied those guys by 2. That you could do that as well. All right, let's do another one. 9 and 9/10 minus 3 1/2.
No, we did not.
Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Got it. Got it in my head too.
Oh,
I got mine.
I have mine.
I think through each step in my head. I pretend that I'm writing it down so I can see it.
It's bad, I have
Yes. Parker Pooh.
mine. It's bad, I have mine.
Hang on, virtual
But
friends, I'm
it's
coming.
directly writing on the tablet.
Yep, Josie, you got it.
Okay, we got 6.
Yes, you can reduce that further. Yes.
6 and 2/5.
I have numerator, Charlotte. I have numerator.
And bad.
Yes.
Great.
Miss Bab.
Yes, you have it in your head.
Yeah, you might be.
Miss Bab.
Yes.
Is your that can just like look at that real quick
Yeah.
and just go
Miss Bab.
Wait for me.
Albert Einstein.
Yes.
I
do like a fraction.
I do like order.
It's a little key in United States.
Okay, Miss Bab.
Yes.
Miss Bab.
Nope. Your numerator's wrong.
6 and 3.
All right, let's look at this one. Oh, 5.
Oh, yes.
There you go, Fiona. All right, 9. I want to go over this one. 9 minus 3.
6.
Okay, I could do this a couple of ways. I could butterfly,
Or you could times the 2 by 5.
or I could just times the half. Because Grayson noticed that you can just turn a 2 into a 10. So I could multiply everything on this side by 5.
And then you'll get your answer.
So then it would be 5/10. So I'd have 9/10 minus 5/10,
But you can reduce
which would be 4/10. I can divide those both by
it
2, which would give me 2 fifths.
I did not understand.
If I had butterflied that, just
That would have been a lot easier.
Yeah, you didn't have to do it this way. You could have butterflied it, but you would have got the same thing. You would have just had to reduce differently. So let's look at if I'd have butterflied it. 9/10, Jason, chill. Minus a half. Butterfly, I would have got 10. 9 times 2?
18.
18. 18 minus 10?
8.
And
That
10
would've been
times
longer,
2?
like,
20.
then you had to
8 20ths, and if I divided both of these by 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. You would have gotten the same thing. Oh, wow.
I didn't say a lot.
Oh, wow. Okay, here
Miss
we go.
Pat,
Now,
I finished all of the worksheet. Can I leave?
We have a worksheet.
yeah, see you later.
What?
Bye.
All right, I'm skipping around. This is number 8. 1 and 1, 30.
30 year
Oh, no. Okay. Let's see if I can get this one in my head. I don't know if I can.
12.
Miss Bab.
Yes, reduce that fraction.
Yes.
18 and 10, 28.
It's bad.
I'm back.
Hi, we did.
Came back. It's too quiet in my house. I need some noise. I'm just gonna write down the worksheet.
Hey, she
Miss
doesn't
Bab.
move like that, man.
No, she loves that.
Miss Bab.
Yes, reduce it.
Miss
Bab.
Yes. Yes, you can reduce that. I don't like the denominator.
Sean, you're dying.
Yes.
I'm choked on chip.
Shawnee, too, I'd love to see what you're doing over there.
Oh, I wrote the 8 and the 8.
Lucas, yes, you can reduce that fraction. Kendilly, yes.
I meant to write this, but yeah, I know.
There you go. I like that better.
Which one is 30? This one makes sense.
Huh? All right. Shawnee Pooh's having some trouble. 9 minus 1.
Wait, you could reduce it by 10.
Yes. 9
9
minus 1 is 8. Okay.
15.
So then I've got 6/10 and 1/3.
It's not 4/8.
There you go. He's got it now. 10. 6 times 3 is 18. Hey. Hi. 18 minus 10. 8. And this one ends up being 30. These are both, anytime you have even numbers, you can always divide them both by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 30 divided by 2 is
15.
there you go. 8 and 4 15ths. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call this done. I'm going to give them their worksheet to work on. Virtual friends,
It's not, that's just a worksheet.
Same thing.
you can go work on your worksheet if you're not done already. Yes. So yes, Kim, you had that one. Yeah. So virtual friends, you guys are good to go. You can start your worksheet. Yes, Cameroon.